Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's now June 10th. We are at the midpoint of the last full week of school, so that's kind of exciting. It's kind of nerve-wracking because, we have assignments that are due and we are rapidly running out of time to do those. So, one of the things that I posted in this week's materials folder for you to view today would be a review sheet so that you can look at what the grading criteria is going to be for your home design. Okay, so there's many different ways to grade the home design, but I thought what I'd do is basically create a little checklist for you so that you can go down the list and you can make sure that you have met all the criteria that we've talked about throughout the videos and showing you how the home design program works and what would be needed in the home design program. Things like the doors and windows and openings and kitchen cabinets and bathroom fixtures. This program is really cool, but it takes a lot of time to really make something look awesome. Now, you may not get everything done as far as like painting all the walls in the bedroom a certain color that you wanted or putting in all the light fixtures. There are definite limitations of the program, but all in all, it's pretty neat. Um, on Friday, I'm going to be asking you to upload, one last floor plan and give yourself grades for your home design project. Okay, so use a checklist. As long as you have everything that's on the checklist, you should be fine for the final grade on the project. So please go ahead and use the checklist so you can make sure you're not missing anything and you can maximize your final grade. Okay. Oh, and as always, check School Tool because some of you are still missing items in School Tool. So if there's a 0 or there's a blank grade, you need to make sure that you have that covered. I'm easy for me to say. I'm available all week for video conferences if you need a little bit more one-on-one help. So just reach out to me. We'll set up a time and I'll try to get you taken care of as quickly as possible. Okay. So please make sure you're checking School Tool. It's going to be hot and humid today as well. So make sure you're staying hydrated and sunscreen if you're outside enjoying the day. Okay. Take care.